100% Optical. We'll be launching our new collection, so our spring summer across all our portfolio of brands. Ted Baker, Jules, Pepe, Ducati. We'll be launching the Benetton collection. Within that we have Optical and sun skews. We've been working very closely with Benetton in developing an eyewear collection that really signifies the ethos of Benetton, demonstrates the coloration of Benetton. We've also developed bespoke acetates. As a company, their strategy is everyone is inclusive. So the acetate collection will have nose pads, so from a dispensing perspective, anyone can wear that. This is one of the key pieces, really using the colourways, the colour palette of Benetton. The front is really on trend in terms of shape, and on the temple we have a really strong branding. We also have Hackett Bespoke within our brand portfolio, and at 100% Optical this year we'll be launching the Hackett Signature Collection. Jeremy Hackett himself was keen to work with us and collaborate. So the team sat down with Jeremy, worked on sort of influencers, design features, and we developed a JPH collection. This is 4 Optical and 4 sun skews. Each frame has Japanese acetates, titanium nose pads. The sun collection is also fitted with Zeiss lenses. In support of that we have a real leather case, and also the cleaning cloth is developed with Jeremy's favourite blue and white pinstripe. Over the last 7 or 8 years, the eyewear market in the UK has changed significantly. The customer is a lot more discerning in terms of style. From a Mondottica point of view, we're really keen to support our practice on that and making sure that we deliver not only in terms of product and design, but in terms of POS, brand training, in-store support, so that the practice can actually offer a full service to their patients, along with great product and great design.